Using Bitcoin is much simpler than most people expect. Once you understand the basics, it feels less like technology and more like sending money with the ease of online banking, except it's money you truly control. Your Bitcoin wallet gives you everything you need: a way to send, receive, see your balance, and scan QR codes. The easiest way to think of it, it's like an email inbox for your money. Let's start with receiving Bitcoin, the easiest part. Inside your wallet, tap Receive. You'll see your Bitcoin address and a QR code. Both are completely safe to share, just like giving someone your bank details so they can pay you. When someone sends you Bitcoin, the transaction first appears as pending. Once it's verified by the network, it becomes confirmed. Sending Bitcoin is just as simple, but it needs a little more care. You'll paste the recipient's address or scan their QR code, then enter the amount you want to send. Next, you'll choose a transaction fee. As a beginner, just stick with the standard option. Now comes the safety moment. Before you do anything else, pause. Double-check the address. Double-check the amount. Bitcoin transactions are permanent. There's no customer service number, no chargeback, no undo button. When you're absolutely sure everything is correct, tap Send. Your payment is now broadcast to the Bitcoin network. After that, your transaction starts receiving confirmations. 0 confirmations means it's still pending. 1 confirmation is usually enough for small payments. More confirmations simply mean more security, especially for larger amounts. For in-person payments, QR codes make the whole process fast and error-free. And for everyday things like buying a coffee, there's the Lightning Network, a separate layer that sends Bitcoin instantly with tiny fees. It feels like tapping a contactless card, but there's no bank in the middle. So here are the golden rules. Always double-check the address, never send on the wrong network, start with small test amounts if you're unsure, and use Lightning for smaller everyday payments. If you can copy and paste, scan a code, and check a few details, you can use Bitcoin confidently. You now know how to send and receive, how fees and confirmations work, and how Lightning makes payments instant. You're ready to use Bitcoin simply, safely, and anywhere in the world.